Okay guys, I just found a TikTok page that's making over $1 million a month, and they're doing it with these simple UGC videos that take less than an hour to make. But before I break down their exact strategy, you need to see these numbers. This video you see right here made them over $12,000 in revenue in the last month, and this one over $11,000. This one $10,000. And the craziest part, in just 1 month, this creator made over $1 million in total. They're literally printing money while they sleep. At this point, you're probably wondering, how does this even work? Well, let me break it down. This content is called UGC, or user-generated content. And the best part, every time someone watches your video and buys the product, you get a commission. And that's how these TikTok creators are pulling in thousands and even millions every single month. But here's where it gets really interesting. I wanted to test this myself, but instead of hiring real people, I tried something that almost nobody has ever done. At first, I thought maybe I'd just hire someone to make it for me. So I checked Fiverr, and yeah, that was a big mistake. They charge like $100 to $300 for a single UGC video. This way, if I want like 10 videos, I'm already spending thousands of dollars. And that's when I decided to do something crazy. I challenged myself to copy their exact strategy for free using only AI. And as I kept digging, I discovered a TikTok creator using this same strategy. But what's actually interesting is that they monetize these videos in a completely different way. So in this video, I'll break down everything step by step, from finding winning products to creating viral videos, and most importantly, how to actually make money from them. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is find a winning product to promote. There are actually 2 free and super simple methods to do this. You can use a website called Calodata or Amazon Movers and Shakers, which I already covered in a previous video if you want to check it out. So go to Calodata, click on products, and then head over to Top Potential Affiliate. This page basically shows you the best performing products. Now check this out. This section shows how many items have been sold in the last month and the total revenue generated. For example, this product sold 58,000 times and made over $1 million in revenue. Here's a quick tip for you guys. When choosing a product, aim for those with at least 10,000 sales. These products are in high demand, meaning you have way more chances to get sales when you promote them. For this demo, let's choose this supplement. I'll just click on it and download the image. Alright, now that we've got our winning product, it's time to create the video. And for that, we're using a free tool called TopView AI. This tool is an absolute game changer. All you need to do is upload your product image, and the AI will generate a complete video including the script, voiceover, and even realistic AI avatars. So once you sign up, you'll land on this page. Now just click on Try Avatar Product for free, and it'll open up a page with a variety of realistic avatars. But here is something to keep in mind. Make sure to choose an avatar that matches both the product you're promoting and the niche you've chosen. It's important because, the right avatar will make the video feel authentic and way more engaging. Alright, so for this demo, we've already picked this women's supplement. So I think this girl avatar would fit perfectly. Now I'll just hit replace with my product image and upload the image of our product. After that, adjust the product size and position to make sure it looks just right. When everything looks good, just click confirm, and within a few seconds, the tool will generate 3 avatar samples for you to choose from. Now, if none of them feel quite right, just click regenerate and you'll get a fresh set of options. As a quick advice, make sure the product is held properly and there's no blur or anything weird going on with it. Alright, I think this one looks great. Now just select Pro Mode to get the best results and then hit the Image to Video button. And there it is, our fully animated video in action.
I'm TopView Product Avatar. I can hold your product with just one image.
But wait, we're not done yet. We need a script for the video, because as you know, the script is everything. It's what keeps them watching and most importantly, makes them take the action you want them to take. Of course, you could write it yourself, but let's face it, we can't be more persuasive than our true master, ChatGPT. Let me give you a little hack I personally use to kill the sales. Just grab the product link from Calodata, paste it into Google, and click on any site that pops up. Let's go with Amazon. Then just scroll down and copy the product details. After that, head over to ChatGPT and then use this powerful prompt, which I'll leave in a Google Doc along with a step-by-step guide. Then paste the product information and boom, ChatGPT will generate a killer script for you. So simply copy it and go back to TopView AI and paste it into the script section. Alright, here's where the magic happens. In the voiceover section, you've got tons of pre-made voices to choose from. For this demo, I'm going with this female voice. Once you've selected the voice you like, just hit confirm and then click on generate. Now just give it a title. Select 1080p for high quality and then hit export. Before we see the final video, I've got something even cooler to show you. In this video, the creator is simply holding the product and it still made $36,000 in revenue, which is crazy, of course. And guess what? We can do the same thing easily. Let me show you how. Just head over to the product Any Shoot feature, which is a brand new feature in Top View AI. This tool lets you place your product in any setting you want, whether it's accessories, clothing, gadgets, or literally anything you're promoting. Of course, I won't waste your time going through every little detail. Just hit the link to the AI in the description and check it out yourself. Now, let me show you the final video. And right after that, I'll break down exactly how you can make money from these videos.
If you're struggling with vaginal odor, URO Vaginal Probiotics have your back. With a powerful blend of lactobacillus, it will help you restore balance and promote healthy vaginal flora. You can feel the difference in just 1 week. Grab yours today.
So the first method is setting up a TikTok shop. This is exactly how this creator made over $1 million by selling products directly in their videos. To do the same thing, all you need to do is upload your AI UGC video, then add the product link, and the viewers will be able to buy it within the app. The second method might actually be a bit easier, but it really depends on the products you're promoting. Take a look at this page right here. These are all UGC videos, and check this out. They've got a link. As you can see, it's a link to the Amazon store. What they basically do is drive traffic from their TikTok page to their Amazon store, where people can buy their products. But if that seems too complicated, I've got another method for you. You can simply promote other people's products and earn a commission. All you need to do is sign up for Amazon Associates, which will take you 5 minutes max. Once you're in, find trending products in your niche. Then, use Top View AI to create engaging UGC videos around those products. Then post them on TikTok, add your affiliate link, and every time someone buys through your link, you get paid. It's literally passive income on autopilot. So guys, if you want to see more content like this, watch this video next.